Hi there everyone, it's Nonna Teresa. Today I'm gonna be making a red lentil soup. I'm gonna start doing it now. I got everything here. I'm gonna start with the water. And I'll turn the heat here on the stove on. Here I have the red lentils and they're washed and drained. So make sure that you wash them really well. Do the garlic. I'm gonna do this quick and easy. Okay, so now I'm gonna start putting everything inside with the lentils, and it's gonna cook. It's gonna start to cook, so everything, it's, you know, the way you see it here. So I'll add the onions, red onions. This is just carrots, chopped small. The celery, and it's chopped small too. Here I have the sweet potato, all chopped. And Italian parsley. So everything is chopped really small, nice and colorful. I'm gonna add some salt, some olive oil, not too much, just a tablespoon. And I will show you what it looks like once it starts coming to a boil. And I will be putting it in the dish. And I'll see you soon. Okay, the soup, it's almost done. It doesn't take long to cook the soup. Actually, it cooks really fast. It looks so good. Smells delicious. I'm gonna put it in a plate and shut off the heat. Looks good. Let's put this inside. And you can garnish with a little bit of parsley, and you can serve them, you know, the soup with some crostini. Nice. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Until next time, ciao for now.